Dickens Heath-based Solihull Health Check Clinic has been operating since 2013 after the business founders noticed a gap in the market for well man and well woman health screening. Recently, in response to the pandemic, they have expanded their offer to include COVID-19 screening.
So initially, when lockdown started, we didn't know if we were supposed to stay open or stay closed. We actually stayed open following all the government guidelines, and in actual fact what happened was the first day of lockdown, patients started to call us to find out if they could have blood tests to diagnose whether they'd ever had COVID. So it exploded massively, and it hasn't stopped.
A nasal swab is taken and sent to a Public Health England certified laboratory. The clinic aims to provide results to patients within 72 hours, although there is a 24-hour service for more urgent cases.
A lot of business owners and people that want to go back to work are having the COVID antibody blood test to demonstrate whether they've had COVID-19 or haven't had COVID-19. The travel swab tests that we're doing at the moment are needed because all countries around the world are expecting their travellers to turn up with a report that states whether they're positive or negative, and they can't get that done on the NHS.
And that increase in demand has required a fast expansion of the business.
It's very busy. We've had to employ more staff. We're constantly turning patients away because we can't see them, so there is a very, very high demand for this to be done. We're the only clinic for miles that is doing it.
And Eileen, who was recently named a Midlands Woman of the Year, is proud to be assisting the community in this time of crisis.
It's absolutely massive. The feedback we're getting is just wonderful. People are so grateful that we're able to offer the service, especially if they're local, and even people that are coming from a long way away, they're just so grateful that they can actually come somewhere and have the test done.